Today we have the 2022 Nissan Qashqai. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just over 51,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel we have automatic headlights, and on the right we have cruise control, voice control and automatic wipers. On our screen we can access smartphone integration, Apple CarPlay and navigation, all apps, connections, Nissan Connect services and Alexa. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 3 different driving modes: Sport, Standard and Eco.